Hello everyone, I have created this channel Code with Coffee. You can subscribe this channel. So we will discuss about Java, Spring Boot, microservices, React, and we will interact with the SQL and NoSQL database in this channel. And we will learn about the many things here, like for the interview purpose also. So today we will learn about the Java8 new features that got introduced. So basically we have this Lambda expressions, method reference, functional interfaces, stream API, uh, default methods, base64 encode decode, static methods, and optional classes for each method and Nashorn JavaScript engine. So I will describe about these one by one. Like first we have Lambda expression. So to enable the functional programming in Java 8, the Java developer has introduced the Lambda expressions here. So it provides the implementation of the functional interfaces. So it saves a lot of code. Like so we can iterate, filter, extract data from the collection with the help of Lambda expressions. Uh, then we have a method reference here. So it is to refer method or function interfaces, and it basically what it does is like we will have a very short code that we have to write, and it will does their work. Then we have function interfaces. So in Java 8, what is there is like there is one function interface in which we will have a one abstract method. So that will enable the functional programming. In Java 8, we can say like there are many in interface. There could be a default method or static method also. So in Java 8, it got introduced. So basically, with the help of Lambda, we can implement the function interfaces. Then we have a stream API. So stream API, we can say like it is an API that got introduced here in Java 8. We can filter the data, we can map the data. We have many method here, like which help to filter, map, flat map. In the collection, we can do anything with the help of stream API. So generally in the interviews also like stream API is stream API question asked many times. Then next we have a default method. As I earlier stated, like it got introduced in the function interface. We can have a default method. So whatever the default behavior that we have, that we can write in the default method. So we can use that in our program, and also we can override those default method if a programmer want to give his own implementation. And then we have a base 64 encoder decoder. So like we can do the encryption and decryption with the help of this base 64 encoder decoder. Then in interfaces like we have static method also, like in a functional interface. So like if we want to do some utility kind of things, that we can write in the functional interfaces also. So then we have optional class. So optional class is public final class. So it is used to deal with the null pointer exceptions. We have some predefined method in it, like is present. It will return true if the value is present, otherwise it will return false. So it helps to avoid our null pointer exception. Then we have a for each method, like previous, like we used to write simple for and then we iterate. But here it sort our code also with the help of for each. Then we have this Nashorn JavaScript engine. So this is the JavaScript engine that they have introduced. Like we can write JavaScript code also in the Java side. So that will also introduced in the Java 8. So many times these features are asked in the interview. It will help to crack the interview. In the next video, I will come up with some code, and I will describe about these features one by one, and then we can go ahead. Yeah, thank you everyone. You can subscribe my channel.